Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I got another Guess What's in the Box video. It is an Acme Tools box. It's not huge, it's not small, it's kind of medium size. So, please stick around, check out the video, play along, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope your day is going well. So I have another Guess What's in the Box video. It was a pretty square Acme Tools box. It is nine and a half inches tall by 11 and a half inches wide by 11 and 3/4 inches long. So it is a little bit bigger than a square. What do you guys think is in the box? I'll give you a hint. It is from Pipeline, which means that, you know, if you guys know what Pipeline is, you should know what tool brand it is too. But if you don't, hint starts with an M. That's actually not a good hint, huh? Yeah, there's more than one tool brand starts with the letter M. Well, I'll let you guys guess. What do you think's in the box? I can tell you right now, it's twice as big as the box. Or the box is twice as big as the item. You can clearly hear it. Don't know why everybody sends, like, Amazon is the worst. They send like a socket rail that holds 16 sockets, you know, 1/4 inch socket rail from Osmo Tools. Amazon will send you a box that's like 48 inches long by like 6 inches wide by like 3.5 inches tall for a 17-inch rail. You know, I'm not sure why, but everybody puts items in a bigger box than they should be in, and you know, there should be a little more packaging or at least stuffing in it, but there isn't. But you know, let me know what you guys think's in the box. Leave your guesses down below. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, playing along and having fun. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I also have an Osmo Tools link. If you guys need toolbox organization for sockets, you know, need them for pliers, for screwdrivers, you need, a torque wrench or, a couple ratchets, roto ratchets. I got a lot of stuff. Go check them out at osmotools.com. That link below will give you 10% off your order at osmotools.com, as well as it kicks me back a 10% off my next order at osmotools.com. So it's a win-win. You save some money, I get availability to save some money. Everybody's happy. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, as always. Thank you guys so much to the subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000 subs. I think I'm at like 918 or something right now. I couldn't do it without you guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by, as always, hanging out with me, watching the videos. It's much appreciated. Like always, smush the bell notification icon as well. And if you like this type of content, I will be unboxing it. You guys will get to see what it is. I will probably also be comparing against other items in that video. Hopefully it's not too long. But thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace! Spaghetti tacos.